The two-day debate on the commitment to the Constitution that began on the 26th of November saw many political parties putting forth their points of view. On Friday, while concluding, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his opinion and lauded the role of Baba Saheb. PM said, the Constitution has the power to bind us all together. He categorically said the Constitution can't be changed and that the focus must be on how the Constitution can help the Dalits, the marginalized and the poor.
न कभी कोई संविधान बदलने के लिए सोच सकता है और मैं मानूंगा अगर कोई सोचेगा तो आत्महत्या कर रहा है, क्योंकि उन महापुरुषों ने जो सोचा है आज की अवस्था में कोई कर ही नहीं सकता है। तो हमारा तो भला उसमें है कि इसको अच्छे ढंग से हम कैसे गरीब, दलित, पीड़ित, शोषित के काम में लाएं।
PM Modi termed 26th November an important event in history and highlighted the role of Constitution in the progress of democracy. Speaking on the strength of democracy, PM said that consensus is its greatest asset.
लोकतंत्र में ज्यादा ताकत तब आती है जब हम सहमति के रास्ते पर चलते हैं, हम सहमति और समझौते के प्रयास करते हैं, लेकिन जब सारे प्रयास विफल हो जाए तब आखिरी रास्ता होता है अल्पमत और बहुमत का। इस सदन में एक तरफ ज्यादा लोग हैं, इसलिए उनको ये अधिकार नहीं मिल जाता है कि जो चाहे वो चीजें थोप दे, और इसलिए सहमति का हमारा रास्ता होना चाहिए, समझौते का रास्ता होना चाहिए और हर किसी का साथ और सहयोग मिलना चाहिए।
PM hailed the Constitution as the binding force that united the nation. He said that it is important for people to know about all aspects of our Constitution to strengthen the democracy. He suggested an online competition be organized to achieve this. PM Modi said Baba Saheb Ambedkar's contribution cannot be forgotten. He said Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who was a Dalit, witnessed tough times, yet there was no bitterness in him and it did not reflect on the Constitution as well.
एक दलित मां का बेटा जन्म से जीवन तक सिर्फ यातनाएं झेली, उसी व्यक्ति के हाथ में जब देश के भविष्य का दस्तावेज बनाने का अवसर आया तो ये पूरी संभावना होती वो हम जैसा अगर मनुष्य होता तो कि वो कटुता, वो जहर कहीं न कहीं प्रकट होता। लेकिन ये बाबा साहब आंबेडकर की ऊंचाई थी कि जीवन भर झेला, लेकिन संविधान में कहीं पर वो बदले का भाव नहीं।
Taking forward the debate on Friday that had begun on Thursday, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu reiterated that secularism was intrinsic to the fabric of the Constitution.
Secularism, nobody has got any doubt. Constitution में है, Constitution में रहेगा, मगर लोगों का दिल में है, दिल में रहेगा और आगे बढ़ेगा, ये मेरा कहना है।
Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav remembered the contribution of Baba Saheb and said repeated amendments to the Constitution are not right.
संशोधन करते करते इतना संशोधन दुनिया के किसी संविधान में नहीं हुआ अध्यक्ष महोदय जितना इस देश में संविधान में संशोधन है अपनी सुविधा के लिए, अपने लाभ के लिए, जो देश की एक सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि है। और कहिए कोई धर्म न माने, कुछ न माने, लेकिन इसमें हम मानते हैं कि हमारे देश की बहुत ही धार्मिक पूंजी है। उस संविधान को बदलने की साजिश बार बार की जा रही, संशोधन किए जा रहे, इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी सहमत नहीं।
65 years after the Constitution was drafted, the government decided to observe the Constitution Day, and all parties rose above partisan approach and welcomed government's decision. Resolution was adopted on the sanctity of the Constitution and its supremacy. Observing Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's 125th birth anniversary as Constitution Day and the debate that took place in Parliament makes it clear that despite differences among political parties, all believe Constitution to be the guide of the country. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, DD News.
Well, the Prime Minister said that his government has only one religion, and that is India first, with the Constitution as its scripture. Let's listen in.
सरकार का एक ही धर्म होता है, इंडिया फर्स्ट। सरकार का एक ही धर्म ग्रंथ होता है, भारत का संविधान। देश संविधान से ही चलेगा, संविधान से ही चलना चाहिए और संविधान के ताकत से ही देश को ताकत मिल सकती है।
Well, the Treasury's view in the debate on the Constitution in the Rajya Sabha was led by Finance and INB Minister Arun Jaitley. Known for his deep knowledge on constitutional matters, Arun Jaitley spoke about key provisions as envisioned by Dr. Ambedkar, whom he described as a social reformer.
While the Lok Sabha concluded the discussion on the commitment to the Constitution, the Rajya Sabha initiated it on the second day of the winter session. The discussion is part of the architect of the Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar's 125th birth anniversary celebrations. Leader of the Upper House and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley initiated the debate, saying Dr. Ambedkar is not just seen as the creator of our Constitution, but also as a social reformer. He said strengthening democratic institutions would be a tribute to him.
When we reaffirm our faith in the Constitution and in the great document that Dr. Ambedkar has prepared, we must all be prepared to strengthen each of the institutions that have been created. And as far as the government is concerned, the government would be one with you in reaffirming that spirit of 1950.
Elaborating on Article 25, Arun Jaitley said the Constitution as envisaged by Dr. Ambedkar rejected theocracy. While accusing several Congress governments of misusing Article 356, Arun Jaitley highlighted that the concept of federalism is very clearly defined in the Constitution. He also said the principle of separation of powers, a core idea of Dr. Ambedkar, and independence of the judiciary are part of the basic structure of the Constitution.
Power to assume the function of a legislature or the executive, I think, is something which goes beyond the concept of what Dr. Ambedkar in the separation of powers envisaged. Today, as we pay our tributes to Dr. Ambedkar, to realize that judicial statesmanship and an equal amount of statesmanship and vision by the executive and the legislature to maintain this delicate balance is required.
Leader of the opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad also praised the role of Dr. Ambedkar, saying that even though his life was filled with adverse circumstances, he gave the country the Constitution.
कोई भी पहलू हो उनकी जिंदगी का और समाज, हर पहलू पर उनका व्यू था। और जब ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन बने और पहले इस देश के राष्ट्रपति ने ये कहा कि शायद उनसे बेहतर कोई भी ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी का चेयरमैन हो नहीं सकता, और पूरे विश्व ने उनकी सराहना की।
JDU leader Sharad Yadav said that a lot needs to be done to ensure that the underprivileged get access to rights as envisaged by Dr. Ambedkar.
उस संविधान में बाबा साहब को जो जिम्मा दिया गया था, लेकिन उन्होंने, बड़े लोग थे वो, उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान की इस बीमारी को पहचान करके इस विषमता के ऊपर बड़ा भारी संविधान में प्रावधान किया, लेकिन वो प्रावधान लागू नहीं होता है।
The two-day discussion on commitment to the Constitution will continue in the Rajya Sabha on Monday. It was due to start on the opening day of the winter session, which was adjourned in the Upper House due to the death of sitting member from Nagaland, Kekio Zimomi. Rajesh Raj, Rishi Kumar, Sudhakar Das's report for DD News.